In 1999, a study was conducted at New York University on 72 males and females. It revealed that when we unconsciously mimic someone's behavior, this mimicry plays a significant role in attracting that person towards us. This research, conducted by Camellia, was named the chameleon effect, and this strategy is called mirroring. Mirroring involves unconsciously mimicking the body language, gestures, or facial expressions of the other person, making us appear more attractive in their eyes. If you want to make your interactions more interesting and become more attractive, you can use some basic psychological tricks to easily draw anyone towards you. Here are a few psychological tricks we're sharing with you. 1. The charm of imperfection. Everyone wants to be perfect, but the truth is, we aren't always drawn to perfect individuals. From a practical perspective, it's easier to relate to those who share their flaws or negative aspects instead of trying to appear flawless. We tend to bond better with imperfect people because they make us feel more relatable and connected. Those who only focus on highlighting their positive traits and hide their imperfections might come off as intimidating or superior, which can hinder connection. In social psychology, there's a phenomenon called the pratfall effect, which proves that when someone makes a mistake, people tend to be more attracted to them. This doesn't mean being careless. It simply highlights that showing vulnerability makes you more relatable and trustworthy, thus drawing people closer to you. 2. Confidence is key. Self-confidence shows that you value yourself. A lack of confidence not only makes you miss out on opportunities, but also makes you less attractive to others. Confident individuals exude an effortless charm that draws people toward them. You can recognize a confident person by their body language and calm demeanor. Confidence isn't about fake gestures or forced smiles, but about natural and clear communication. Practice speaking calmly and clearly, paying attention to your body language and voice tone. A soft yet appealing tone can work wonders. Practicing in front of a mirror can help you improve and appear effortlessly confident. 3. Show emotions. There's a difference between being emotionally stable and being emotionless, especially for men who often struggle to understand this. Emotions are one of a person's greatest strengths and weaknesses. If you've chosen the right person to connect with, sharing your emotions and showing your real side can create a stronger bond. Physical attraction, like wearing stylish clothes or having a great hairstyle, can grab attention temporarily. But emotional attraction is long-lasting and more impactful. Don't hide your true emotions to appear strong. Knowing how and when to share your emotions with the right person makes you appear attractive, sensitive, and genuine. 4th, similarity. Attraction effect. When it comes to making a great connection or interaction, having a common topic is crucial. We're naturally drawn to people who share similar hobbies, interests, or likings with us. For instance, if you love watching Squid Game but the other person prefers romantic movies, it becomes harder to bond. So be open to adopting similar interests, not forcefully, but willingly. Choose hobbies or topics that resonate with both of you. It could be a subject, a favorite game, music, or a movie. This similarity becomes the foundation for deeper connections and enhances attraction. 5. Benjamin Franklin effect. This is a powerful psychological discovery. According to this effect, when you ask someone for a small favor, they perceive you more positively. For instance, you can ask for notes, directions, advice, or suggestions. By requesting small favors, you become more approachable and familiar to others. This makes you more attractive and encourages people to interact and share more with you. In turn, they feel comfortable expecting a favor from you, creating a mutual bond that enhances your attractiveness. We hope you enjoyed this video. Which trick did you find the most interesting, and who would you like to try it on? Let us know in the comments section. We'll see you in a new video soon.